Welcome back to our channel, where we share helpful tips and tricks for Windows 10. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of factory resetting your Windows 10 computer. So, if you're experiencing issues or simply want a fresh start, keep watching. Let's jump right into the steps. Step 1. Press the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Step 2. From the Start menu, navigate to Settings. Step 3. In the Settings menu, select Update and Security. Step 4. Now, click on the Recovery option. Step 5. Under the Reset This PC section, click on the Get Started button. Step 6. You will be presented with two options: Keep My Files and Remove Everything. Choose Keep My Files if you want to retain your personal data during the reset process. Step 7. Next, you'll be prompted to choose between cloud-based or local reinstallation. Select the option that suits your preferences. Step 8. You may also have the option to change additional settings. Take a moment to review and modify them based on your needs. Step 9. Finally, you'll come across the Restore Pre-installed Apps setting. Set this option to No if you don't want the factory reset to reinstall the pre-installed applications. By following these steps, you'll be able to perform a factory reset on your Windows 10 computer, either keeping your files or removing everything depending on your choice. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Windows 10 tips and tricks. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.